So we're prepping to spray polyurethane on the ceiling, in the trim, and the doors in this beautiful old wooden house of ours. It's got no sheetrock at all. I love to use this actual sheetrock sander because we can hook it up to the shop vac. It pulls out all the dust. Notice, no mask, no dust. It's beautiful. Now, even though the walls are going to be a separate phase because those are going to get painted, not polyurethane, we want to do all the sanding at once. That way we can finish up with the dust. We can make it dusty once and then stop. Here is a door, sanding that by hand with an automotive DA for a beautiful finish.
We're at our beautiful log home retreat, if you will. And the decision has been made to paint the walls white, but leave the ceiling clear polyurethane and all the trim. Anybody who's painted anything, or sprayed, I should say, anything, knows that all the work is in the prep. So you saw like the speed video where I sanded the ceiling and sanded the walls. Then I taped everything off. And that may sound simple, but when you go around the room and you figure out that you have to tape off like every doorknob, every door hinge, and every other accessory. I mean, look at this bay window. We had to tape off the windows and the cranks in the windows, the latches on the windows. It really is a pain in the ass, but it's about to get sprayed and it's about to get beautiful. So it's the morning after the polyurethane spray job, and I started spraying as the sun was going down last night. So it got very difficult because it got dark. So I was working with drop lights, which means you have a very difficult time finding any runs or errors. And I tend to spray heavy, so it runs. But I am proud to say that the spray job came out in flawless fashion. I mean, look at that beautiful polyurethane ceiling. Look at these beautiful, I'm sure they were like custom made doors when this house was built. Look at that. Will you just look at that? I mean, here, let me get some better. Look at that beautiful door. I mean, check this out. Bathroom door, closet door. It just can't be beat. It's really neat. Can't find a flaw. Look at that beautiful bay window. I just pulled the plastic off a couple panes to open it up and air it out because I smelled like polyurethane after this job, but it didn't even wash off in the shower. I still smell like it. But I am proud to report a smashing success of a polyurethane spray job.